Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Essence of the Keys. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I think this is what they call the dog days of summer because it is brutal hot out. Maybe I can see what the thermometer says in the shop. It is about 95 here in the shop. I'm thinking I may end up getting, as they say in Ireland, may end up getting aircon before this summer is over. As a matter of fact, I know I am. I'm probably going to go today or Thursday and pick one up. So what I'm doing today is as little as possible because it's just so hot. Let me get this. These are templates that I cut out and smoothed up. They're for a chair that I'm working on, a design that I'm working on. I'll go into that when I start working on the chair. But I've got another project that I've been kind of putting off, and since it's so hot out, I figured I would get on that. I thought I would bring you guys along for the ride because this is something that I'm hoping to be using in future videos. It's not a box, it's what's in the box. So I enjoy being creative, and I enjoy being creative in lots of different mediums, and I've done a little bit of metalworking, but not a lot. And I've got this a couple months ago, and I just haven't had the time to play with it yet. But I've got a knife that I'm working on that I'm gonna I need to do a heat treat on. So I'm gonna put this together, and I don't know that I'll fire it today, although I could. I've got my fire brick here. Let's pull that out. Oh, wow, they was really generous. They gave me one big old fire brick that didn't even cover the whole thing on the inside, but I guess it is what it is. These sit in here like this, or they're supposed to anyway. There we go. All right. So we'll take this first. I honestly don't remember what the brand is on this. Not that it really matters. I do know I got it from Amazon. And they even sent me thread tape. If this was a little bit wider, let me turn this around so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so if this opening was just a little bit wider, I could probably come up with some kind of something to use it like a pizza oven. I'd have to have more brick and cover the wool, but just seemed like it would make a pretty good pizza oven. Alright, so it looks like I'm supposed to take these I'm not going to worry about thread tape on this because this is just for air inlet or to mount it, and you got air inlet, so be sure and remove these after when you flame out, after you're done forging or whatever, because this will continue to get hot from the forge and can melt your hoses. So that's something to note. Alright, so that's the hard part, I think. And then I've got this other hose to hook up right here. Like I said, it is hotter than blazes out right now, so I don't think I don't know. I may test fire it just for giggles. I was gonna go ahead and try to heat treat this knife, but then I'd have to temper it in the oven in the house. I don't want to heat the house up. Guys, we have booked our flights for our next vacation. We are going to Frankfurt for a few days, and then we will go over and we're going to go to the other side of Ireland. We've never been. We've been to Dublin and Wicklow and Belfast and whatnot several times, but we've never been over to the Cliffs of Moher and the Dingle Peninsula and Limerick, all those on that side. So that's what we're going to do. I think we're going to go to Shannon. I'm not exactly sure, but we are planning on doing some videos. That's going to be in September, so be on the lookout for that. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That way you'll be able to see when we do make our trip across the pond, as it were. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe. Have a safe holiday. Let's take this over and set it on the concrete outside and see if we can fire it up just for a test fire. There is a regulator here, so you got your valve and then you got your regulator, and I guess that's how you adjust the flow. It's all closed, as you can tell. I got to get my torch. I'm going to move this tank back a ways just so we don't get the let's turn this all the way off. I guess I've done it the wrong way. Alright, so this is on. Alright, so let's alright, I would say with that thing, let me crank this all the way up just for giggles. I think that she works. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn all this off. Like I said, I don't know that I'm going to do anything today. It's just too blooming hot. I've got plenty of time to get the knife heat treated in the next week or so. I appreciate you guys stopping by. You're always welcome in my shop. Be sure and do me a favor and Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And we'll see you folks in the next video.